Finally, I am starting this channel. It's been a long time coming, and I figured everyone else is doing it, why not? Let's hop on the bandwagon. This channel, however, is gonna be different. Oh my god, I didn't even introduce myself. And welcome to my channel. My name is Eddie. Well, I call myself Eddie, so that's what we're gonna roll with. Let me know what you guys think. Should I change it? Should I keep it as Eddie? This channel is about to be everything girly, everything faith. I am a God-fearing woman. I am a mommy. I am a wife. This is gonna be lifestyle. This is going to be like I don't want to say like raw, unedited, but it's gonna, you're not gonna get the aesthetics here. So if you're looking for aesthetics, I'm sorry, sis, you gotta go somewhere else. But literally, this is a lot of changes that I've decided that I've kind of just been praying over, and I feel like I want to just record the journey, and it's gonna be fun. It's a lot of fun over here. My people that I roll with, we cool people. We're so cool. So keep up with me. Let's go. I feel like God is about to propel me, and I feel it, and I want to capture every moment of it. So stay tuned for the ride, sis. It's gonna be great. I promise it's gonna be but let me know what you want to see. I'm just gonna be recording like different aspects of my life throughout the week. I haven't really decided when I'm gonna post, or when I should post, or how much I should post. So give me some suggestions. Like, what do you guys think? Okay, what do you guys think I should do? Let me know in the comments. But like I said, oh, I'm shaking. I feel like I apologize, I'm using my tripod. Excuse me if I'm shaking the camera too much. I didn't like the angle when I had it down, when I just had the tripod on down. It just, yeah. Squirrel. Yeah. So the angle just wasn't right. The lighting just wasn't right. So that's why I'm holding it. So I apologize if the camera is just very unsteady. But we're learning. We're new here. We're learning. I'm still a baby. So yeah.